Look up on a clear night, and the sky seems like a fixed canvas, a silent, frozen ceiling of stars. Because the ground beneath our feet feels solid, we project that same stability onto the rest of the cosmos. We observe this lack of visible movement and assume a quiet universe is an empty one. But our senses are deceptive. The stillness we perceive masks a reality of constant, violent transformation. Human biology cannot register our true physical position. We lack the internal sensors to feel the momentum of the planet. Everything in space is in a state of perpetual motion. There is no such thing as a fixed, unmoving point in the universe. Assessing the probability of life elsewhere requires us to abandon the perspective of a stationary observer and calculate our actual velocity. Our feeling of isolation is a byproduct of these sensory blind spots, not a reflection of cosmic reality. To understand the scale of this motion, we must look at the rock we stand on. Earth is racing around the sun at 100,000 kilometers per hour. We are traveling at that speed this very second, yet we remain entirely unaware of it. And Earth's individual orbit is only the first layer of our momentum. The sun acts as a massive engine, propelling our entire solar system through the galaxy at a velocity even greater than our orbital speed. Earth is not a platform, it is a projectile tethered to a larger, violently moving system. This motion escalates as we look toward the galactic horizon. The Milky Way is currently rushing toward the Andromeda galaxy at 720,000 kilometers per hour. This relentless transit coincides with a cycle of constant cosmic creation. Every single day, 275 million new stars are born. This massive rate of stellar birth results in a proportional explosion of accompanying planets, all formed within this high-speed churn. Just as many stars reach the end of their lives each day, ensuring the universe remains in a state of continuous, active transformation. The universe functions as a hyperactive factory, producing new worlds at terrifying speeds. In a universe producing millions of new planets daily, the idea that biology only succeeded once becomes a mathematical outlier. To claim we are alone because we cannot see our neighbors ignores the sheer scale of the environment we inhabit. Claiming there is no life is like plunging a glass into the sea and concluding the ocean holds no fish because it came up empty. Our failure to find life is a limitation of our sample size, not proof of our uniqueness. Humanity has no real idea of its actual position in this moving architecture. We are insignificant passengers adrift in a cosmic ocean, unable to perceive the depths around us. We are left to consider whether we are truly alone or simply irrelevant to the wider cosmos. The numbers suggest we're drifting through a universe teeming with life that our tiny, localized perspective cannot yet see.